Hello, Chilthara here. I promised I'd do this video yesterday and then I didn't. But anyways, this is Fenner Nature Center. It's open from dawn till dusk, and I basically grew up in this here forest. Yeah. Basically, in this video, you'll probably hear a lot of rambling and that, and basically, I'm just gonna be showing you my home forest. And if you want a picture of me actually in the video, here I am. I'm not sure how well you can see me since I can't see the camera anymore. I am recording on my one phone. So yeah. Oh, there go two squirrels. One's going that way, one's going back that way. Anyways, as you can tell, I'm pretty easily distracted. Yeah, I'm here. Let's see. Oh, right there. There are squirrels all over this here forest, and it has been quite a while since I've been here. I'm not bothering answering any notifications while I'm making this video. I don't even know how long it's gonna be. The entrance to Fenner Nature Center, well, that was walking. But if you're driving, right here is where you would come in. As you can see from the cars. Now, something that's different now. 24-hour video surveillance. That was not here the last time I was here. And they've done quite a few other things that have kind of pissed me off. And oh, they even changed the opening time. Used to be dawn to dusk. Now it's 8 a.m. to dusk. Ugh. And as per usual, dogs must be on a leash. Any pet, really. Because you just don't want to take that chance of having your pet accidentally think it's playing, but someone get hurt, and then you have to deal with all that garbage. Right, there's a caterpillar nest. Looks like the caterpillars have all moved on from it. The entry, it's pretty boring for the most part. At least this entry. There used to be another one, and for good reason, really. But they took and fenced that up. I'll show you later in the video. Yeah. Basically, I'm either gonna run this video until it runs out, or my time's up, or the phone dies. One of those three things. Hopefully not the phone dying, because then it doesn't always save, which is very annoying. So, if you're coming in by car, as it says up there, this is a one-way. If you're walking, however, who cares? I mean, yeah. You can see path over there if you prefer to walk on nature's trail versus ugly human trail. Personally, like, as a species, I don't like humans. They're just destructive by nature. So, I prefer animals in that. However, individually, there are people that I do like. These are some flowers on the path going in. But I'm not really a people person per se. I prefer being out in the wild. It just feels right to me. My dad started bringing me here when I was like 4 or 5, and within just a few months, I had this whole place memorized. And there's a car coming up behind me. But yeah, this place is just a lot of fun to be, and yeah. I don't know why I'm on this here path when I could be over there on nature's path. Oh, and then that kind of splits, and you can either come up this path, get on the road, or you can go through there, which is not exactly the best of paths, but if you are, like, if you prefer deer paths and that, yeah, that's a good path. Like, oh, and throughout this video, there will be patches of just quiet, because this is really just, yeah, random video, because I felt like it, and to show you my home forest. So yeah, bunch of cars. So this is the parking lot. If you keep going, you'll get to the other side, which has another parking lot. And yeah. And then the exit. And so that hopefully I don't catch anyone in my video that doesn't want to be in it, I'm going to move on to this mini trail. Like, goes from over there connects here, and you can see where some animals, most likely squirrels, but who knows, out here, have been digging. Oh wait, is that? Oh, no. Just some lids. Thought it might be a tablet. And, yeah. Some more of those white flowers. There's yellow ones back there. That building, I hate it. It never used to be here. And there was no reason for it. And because of them, see this here bench? It's now grown over. Never used to be like that. This path used to go right by it. And then, pardon our dirt. Yeah, for the construction on the nature pavilion, but this here used to be all tall grass and milkweed. Now there's no milkweed, just these stupid flowers and grass. I'm not sure what these flowers are called. But yeah, you'll see more of that while we walk in that. So now, onto the actual building. Today it doesn't open till noon, at least that's what the internet said. But during this COVID crap, a lot of things have changed. And there's a car that just pulled in, so I'm gonna go quiet now. I used to climb on those rocks as a kid. Now, the sign up there says open. Pretty sure it's not open. That says no dogs or alcohol, but dogs are allowed. And then garlic mustard, safe to eat. There's the flowers and the leaves. And then here's the hours of the building. And then this here is the building. It says open, but it is not open. And inside, you'll see a lot of, like, kid-related stuff. But you'll also notice that they've got a fire danger today sign, which is very helpful. And if you don't have a leash, loan a leash. And COVID modified hours. So they are open. Oh well, not going in. Nothing much to see in there. And then after, going in there, you can sit on these two benches and watch the birds, if you feel like it, and turkeys, and anything else that's out here. And this, moles. Oh, they got a skull out here now. This was not here before. Let's see. Very cool. Moles. Yeah. Very cool. I wonder what animal it's from. Could be a deer or anything, really. Because deers molt their antlers. Oh. Pretty sure that is the garlic plant. Anyways, moving on. We will not go that way to begin with. We'll end up back that way. I want to show you the more important parts of the nature center, at least important to me. Following this path down, during the warmer weather, you will notice frogs and that a lot of the time. There's a butterfly garden over there. A canoe in the making. Been in the making for years now. Oh my, this is new. Oh, they got it closed off. Wonder why. So, as a kid, my dad would bring me down here. There's section right there. I'd go down there, catch a bunch of frogs. Would watch the fish in that from here, as well as ducks, and one time a snapping turtle that was, I named it Goldie because when it started to come out, the sun reflected just right that it looked like pure gold was painted on it. And then here's a Fenner Nature Center trail guide. I never pay attention to those things. Probably should, but I go by instinct rather than what they say. Because I've never been good with maps. Oh, and if you'll notice, there's no milkweed in here at all. Oh wait, nope, that's other flowers. No milkweed for the monarchs who are endangered. However, they do have a monarch migration cycle and monarch house, which, if you don't have enough milkweed, there's really no point, because the caterpillars need that in order to survive. And here comes a part that I hate. Choosing the trail. There's 3 here. I can go that way, that way or that way. I really hate this part. Oh yeah, and please clean up after your pet sign with usually little baggies and then trash can. And I've got the stupid hiccups again. Okay. So let's go down. Oh yeah. And this here sign that says, "Be aware of ticks," as per usual. Telling you what to do and all that. Yeah, let's go down this one. Like, most of the trails will have where the top is literally covered by the trees. Oh, let's go check that out. And yes, I know, I just showed you the tick thing, and now I'm going off path. I go off path a lot. Interesting. Okay. Back onto the path. Oh, and if you watch this video and see that I stepped in poison ivy, please let me know. I can never remember. They say that it's got 3 leaves. Yeah, that doesn't help. 'Cause there's millions and millions of leaves here. So, like, this here plant, like when it's young, 3 leaves, and then it grows more. And so I end up confused about it a lot of the time. Those 2 trees fell, I'm guessing about the same time, because they're basically holding each other up. And then this here fallen tree, very curvy. But yeah, my dad used to bring me out here all the time, and then I'd come out here on my own. Oh hey, there's a little shack over there. We'll go to that next. And see how it's changed. But like, yeah. After he brought me here and I'd had the place memorized and that, I've come out here all alone, on my own, and just walked the trails and that, like, gone off path. It just, to me, it's natural. And there's another stupid ding. Yeah, I'm not bothering looking. But, like, yeah. There's this here little fence, kind of, basically saying, hey, keep on the path, please. I don't bother with the path. You see that hut? We're going